Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. Fenugreek seeds might be in your spice rack right now, but did you know they have multiple uses beyond the kitchen? And one of the best ways to use them is to whip up a fenugreek seeds face mask. These healing seeds have dozens of therapeutic uses inside and outside of the body. The fenugreek seeds boast of plenty of vitamins like vitamin A, C, K, B6. The presence of vitamin C in fenugreek seeds lightens the skin complexion and gives it a beautiful glow, cleanses skin, facial toner, exfoliates skin. These seeds nourish and moisturize the skin by removing all the dryness. Dirt, bacteria, and dead skin cells are the main reasons behind dark spots on the skin. Fenugreek seeds contain vitamin K and vitamin C that help in reducing blemishes and dark circles from the skin. These small golden seeds are imbued with compounds which keeps your skin beautiful, young and wrinkle-free. They kill the free radicals which cause wrinkles and dark spots on the skin. People having acne problem must give fenugreek seeds a try as they are enriched with antibacterial properties. Honey, which is both a humectant and antibacterial, is the perfect addition to this prized Indian spice. Together, these ingredients make a wonderful face mask that will leave your skin glowing and healthy, and a blender to make the most of this natural skincare superstar. So, all we need here is 1 tablespoon of fenugreek, half cup of water, 1 teaspoon of honey. In a covered bowl, soak the seeds in water overnight. The next day, add only the seeds and honey to a blender. Blend until a paste forms and save the water for another use. Apply to your face and neck and leave it for about 20 minutes. Then rinse it with warm water and then with cold water. And before using any face mask, don't forget to clean your face very well and then use your favorite face mask. You can find a lot of masks on my channel. For best results, I recommend you to make a scrub before using face mask. So, firstly, clean your face with your lotion and then apply your favorite scrub. I have also a lot of recipes on my channel. I love coffee scrub. And rinse your face with warm water and apply your mask and moisturize. That's it. Try this once or twice a week. You will get an amazing result. Put the leftover liquid into spray and spray liberally over your scalp and hair. Mainly focusing on the roots, but still getting it on the length of your hair. You can leave it for about 60 minutes and then wash your hair. It will look super lush and shiny. You will see. Or you can use it as a facial toner. Just store that water in a spray bottle. Spray it on your clean face before applying moisturizer on your skin. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend. And thank you so much for watching.